In this video, we're going to walk you through how to prepare the ProPulse ear irrigator for first use. After opening the box, place the accessories to one side and remove the unit from the inner white box. Please carefully read and follow the instruction manual. Now connect the power adapter to a mains outlet. Ensuring your unit is turned off, you can now plug in the power adapter to the unit and then plug in the foot switch. Check that the mushroom valve and washer are present and intact on the underside of the reservoir. Remove the cover sticker from the interior of the reservoir. Fill the reservoir with water up to the horizontal fill line. Press the reservoir firmly down onto the unit, ensuring the mushroom valve slightly lifts as the reservoir is pressed into place. A new single-use QRX tip is then placed into the handle by pushing the collar back, inserting the tip and releasing the collar as shown. There are 10 tips provided with each unit as a starter kit. Turn the ProPulse ear irrigator on and you're ready to clean the unit before first use.